In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the Facebook region settings. So first of all, you'll have to go to your settings, as example, as simple as that. And of course, from here, you will have to look for language and region. So you can simply just go and searches here in settings. So you can go and look for language and region. And let's just go. This is like, wait, yeah, I'll have to change my account first because this is like a page. Yeah, so now I am on my account, and as you can see, you'll have to go, as I said before, look for language. So language and region. And as you can see, you should find this right here. So you can go and click on that. So as you can see here, you should find the actual or account language where you'll be able to change it. And here, as you can see, you'll find the region format, and you'll be able, for example, to choose formats for date, times, and number. And you will be able always to go here and choose that. And you can just go and click on choose, and you will be able to change it as an example from here. Of course, if you don't want that as an example, if you mean an example, the other option, you can just go to your profile for it. So let me just go to my profile, and here, an example, you can click on edit profile. An example on the bio, you can click on add, and here you'll be able to simply add your region or change as an example. So for me, I didn't add any region example. For you, you can just go and add your city, town, and stuff like, which means your region, and you'll be able always to come here and change it. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.